Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome on your MacBook Neo. To do that, we're gonna have to open the default Safari web browser. Just click on it on the dock and then search for Google Chrome using the search field right here. And you will find the Google Chrome browser either as a sponsored result or basically just the first result on the list. You'll get redirected to the google.com/Chrome website. Here you'll find this download Chrome button that you just have to click, then click allow to allow downloading from this website, and then you're just gonna have to wait until the Chrome is downloaded. Here we have the downloads folder, so let's wait until the DMG file is downloaded. Then click it, and let's wait for okay, here it is. So in order to install the Google Chrome, we have to grab this icon and drag it to apps folder. Then we can close this window once the copying is finished. So let's wait a moment. Okay, now we can close it. And to open the newly installed web browser, open the applications menu here. You can also add the Chrome to your dock simply by dragging it there, just like this. Then just click on your Google Chrome web browser icon in the dock to open it. Click open to confirm. If you want to make the Chrome the default browser, make sure to hit this checkbox or not uncheck it. In my case, I'm not gonna make Chrome my default browser, so I'm gonna uncheck this. And then once again, depending on whether or not you want to send user statistics and crash reports to Google, you can check or uncheck the following checkbox. And then click OK, and now you're pretty much ready to start using Chrome. Select your default web browser, your default search engine, I meant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.